A Guide to Homeowner and Property Damage Insurance Claims. Introduction. Homeowners insurance protects against property damage from unforeseen events. Filing claims correctly is crucial. Types of claims. 1. Natural disasters. Covers storms, floods, and more. 2. Theft and vandalism. Compensates for stolen or damaged items. 3. Fire and smoke. Reimburses fire-related losses. 4. Water damage. Covers plumbing failures, not floods. 5. Structural damage. For accidents or weather-related incidents. Claim process. First, assess and document the damage. Notify your insurer promptly. File a claim form and provide necessary documents. An adjuster may inspect the damage. Once verified, the insurer settles the claim. Required documents. Prepare a completed claim form, insurance policy, proof of ownership, and photographic evidence. Include police reports if needed. Best practices. Understand your policy. Document everything. Report damage immediately. Get multiple repair estimates. Follow up with your insurer. These steps ensure a smooth claim process. Need help? Contact us. www.daakhilnow.com